In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mind map in Whimsical. Mind mapping is a fantastic way to visually organize information, and Whimsical makes it incredibly easy to construct these diagrams with just a few clicks. Let's dive right in and explore each step together. First, open Whimsical and start by clicking on Board. This is your canvas, where all the magic happens. Think of the board as your blank slate, ready to be filled with ideas, connections, and structures that form a comprehensive visual map. Next, you'll want to click on Mind Map within the board. This action will allow you to switch the board to a mind mapping layout. The Mind Map tool is tailored specifically for this purpose, giving you the flexibility and functions necessary to effectively structure and reorganize your thoughts. Place your initial mind map node in the middle of the board. This central node is your starting point, often representing the main idea or concept of your map. From this node, you'll build outward, adding layers of information to create a detailed, hierarchical mind map. Now, it's crucial to choose the right lines. The line connections are what you'll use to establish relationships between your main concept and subtopics. Choose a line style that best represents the connections you envision. This could vastly affect the readability and understanding of your map. I recommend using the curve line option to add additional boxes. Curved lines are not only aesthetically pleasing, but they also help guide the eye smoothly from one point to another, enhancing the flow of information. Once you have your lines set up, proceed to click on the Highlight option. This feature allows you to emphasize certain areas of your mind map. Highlighting can be particularly effective for drawing attention to critical points or aspects of your diagram that might require focal emphasis. Considering your map's orientation, you have the choice to click on Vertical to change the mind map orientation. Vertical orientation provides a different perspective and can be beneficial depending on the complexity and the branching nature of your map. Finally, switch from a curve to an angular line style if you find a more structured, rigid look is better suited for your data. Angular lines offer a geometric appearance, which some people prefer for clarity or aesthetic reasons, especially if the map's layout is more linear as opposed to sprawling. And there you have it. By the end of these steps, you'll have a thoughtfully arranged mind map in Whimsical. Perfecting your mind map's layout can take a bit of experimentation, so feel free to play with the lines, highlights, and orientations until it feels just right. Happy mind mapping, and thanks for following along.